guys, welcome back. This year I'm doing another homemade holidays, so I'm actually doing DIY gifts for all of the grandparents and great-grandparents. So when Cricut approached me to try their new maker, I jumped at the opportunity because I love my Cricut and I can't wait to try the new one. You guys know I don't do sponsored posts, so in lieu of payment for this review, I've asked them to send me some Cricuts for you guys. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. I'm sending away 2 of these amazing Cricut makers anywhere in the world, and I'm gonna have it shipped to you before Christmas. So stay tuned to the end of this video to find out how to enter. I am so in love with my Cricut maker. It's this really cool, versatile, smart cutting machine. So if you don't know what a Cricut is, basically anything that you can dream up, this thing can cut. And the new maker is so much more powerful and comes with new cutting tools, including a knife blade that can actually cut balsa wood. It's so easy to switch out the different blades so you can cut fabric and felt and leather and of course vinyl and paper. It's just so versatile, and it has storage for all of your blades, so of course the organizer in me loves this. The Cricut Design Space Studio comes with a ton of pre-made templates, or you can design your own. I've been Cricut crafting my heart out. I've made ornaments for the tree and signs, and right now I'm making some custom gifts for my mom and my stepmom. My kids have always called their grandmas Nama, N-A-M-A, and the other has 2 M's, so I can take a simple pair of pajamas and transform it into custom PJs with their name on it that you can't find anywhere in just a few minutes. They are going to love these. Santa Claus is on his worldwide tour, like so many a time before. And if you've been really good, it's true. Santa Claus has got something for you. Oh yeah. Woo! My kids also call their great-grandparents Gigi, so I was able to design these adorable aprons and little oven mitts personalized just for the Gigis. So thank you guys so much for watching, and to win one of these 2 amazing Cricut makers, all you have to do is comment below and give this video a thumbs up. I will be drawing on December 6th anywhere in the world and shipping you one of these amazing things. So make sure that you comment below. See you next time. So thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. It's chaos in the Arson household right now, because here's what happened. I know you guys can feel me. So I rearranged some of my downstairs furniture, and I was like, I like this so much more when I moved the sofa to be open. And I was like, I want a big open space, except we couldn't see the TV. So here was the thing, I was like, we need a new sofa. So I bought a new sofa, which I put in the space, and we still can't see the TV. So then I pulled the TV off the fireplace and I dragged out the TV entertainment center thing from the office so that we could move the TV, and we still can't see the TV, except I pulled all the wires through the wall and they got stuck in the wall, so now we can't have a TV anywhere until we completely rewire everything. And the thing is, the new sofa's too small for our entire family. So I downgraded somehow and spent money to get less seating and make it less functional. So now we're pulling out the sofa out of the office so that we can actually all sit and watch TV together, none of us actually having a good view, and now the office is empty. So now I need all new office furniture. I feel it's a give a mouse a cookie, isn't it? It's like, I was like, please Joe, can I just have a sofa, just this one sofa, it's a great price, please. And he's like, fine, but that's it. That's not it. Now I need a new rug and new pillows, because everything was matching the old one, and now that nothing works, so we have to, and now all new office furniture. Can we just have a moment of silence for my poor husband? Hopefully I'm not alone. I know you guys feel me. And let me know in the comments below if you do this too. We'll see you next time.